Good morning, YouTube. Hey, I wanted to do a real quick video. I've been seeing several guys complaining about their Masterbuilt grills and how they're having a hard time getting them lit and keeping them lit and getting them up to temperature. And I think I figured out the problem. At least I resolved the problem for myself. And I've actually got it in another video clip I was working on, and I'd forgotten about it till going through the videos, and I found that clip. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just doing an intro here, and then I'm going to edit in the clip from the other video. So this is going to be a short one, but hopefully it's going to resolve your issue of lighting and keeping lit your Masterbuilt Gravity Series Smokers. So the second issue, and I think the biggest issue you guys are having, is difficulty lighting. And even if you get it lit, it's hard to keep it lit, and you can't get it up to temperature. And I think I found the problem because I was having that same struggle too, and it's our fault. It's an operator issue, but it's partly because of the way the grill is designed with the hopper, and we just keep adding charcoal into the hopper. We look in and it's getting low, so we add more. Well, the problem is, depending on the charcoal you have, it's not clearing itself on the bottom. So down where the actual fire is in the fire box, you end up with a bed of ash. And it doesn't matter how much you shake that little thing at the bottom of the hopper, that little grate thing, you still end up with a bed of ash where the charcoal isn't breaking down and dropping through. And so the fire can't breathe. That's really all there is to it. So you have to do a couple of things. I think the company's ISS Mods, maybe, they have a chute that you can put in there to drop the charcoal out into a bucket, and I think I'm going to get one of those. And the other thing you can do is just make sure you let it burn down every once in a while and clear out that charcoal. This last time, and it gets down to charcoal too. I think the brand of charcoal makes a huge difference, because I was using HEB for years, their one specific kind with mesquite, and I didn't have any trouble, and then all of a sudden it started being an issue, and it took me a while to find the ash issue, but I'm guessing they did something different to the charcoal that's not allowing it to break up the way it used to. So it's staying kind of clumped together even after it's burned. It stays clumped together down in the ash on top of that little grate. So the issue is clearing out the ash, whether you let the fire burn down or whether you pull that grate out and let all the charcoal come out and clean it, and then refill it with fresh charcoal. Well, you can keep the old stuff that you take out and just get the ash out of it. I've got a grate over here. I drop it on and you can shake the ash out, and then it goes back in the smoker, and then it'll light just fine. So take care of that bed of ash, and that should resolve that issue of lighting and keeping lit and staying up to temperature.